Hey beautiful people, this is Rodney here with Certified Restoration. This is a restaurant that I cleaned in St. Augustine Beach, Florida. You can see how filthy these carpets are, but they came out quite nice. I was very pleased with this. I also promote a lot of products now to help promote this channel. I am an Amazon affiliate, and these products that I do have, I do test myself and use them on a daily basis. Some of them I've had for 2 years now. I'm quite pleased with them, and I think you will be too. I try to find the best products that I can share with you so to help you keep your home fresh, clean, free from bacteria, dust, pollens, and everything else. Check out my ozone machines that I use, or air purifiers that I use. I know you're going to love them. Till next time, take care and keep it clean out there.